Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's your boy, TeacherKevinPH, and we are back with another video. And today, we're gonna be talking about 30 facts that you are yet to know. 30 facts that will blow your mind. And you should know this. If you love this kind of videos, well, I'm from the Philippines. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please don't mind my English. Soon, we'll grow. Let's do this! Did you know that the human brain naturally remembers more negative memories than positive ones? Wow, quite interesting. Did you know a tiger's tongue is so rough it can lick the paint off buildings and strip the skin from the bones of an animal? Now I knew. Did you know when you sneeze, all body parts stop functioning, even your heart? Wow. Did you know that sleeping next to someone you love makes you fall asleep faster, reduces depression, and helps you live longer? Wow, you better look for a partner. Did you know human saliva contains a painkiller called opioid that is 6 times more powerful than morphine? Wow, amazing. Did you know that dolphins will go on killing spree when they are sexually frustrated? We thought dolphins are just then good, but now we know their bad side. Did you know 50% of your hand strength comes from your pinky finger? Wow, let me test that one out. Did you know intelligent people tend to experience increased brain activity during night, making it difficult to fall asleep? Am I intelligent? How about you guys? Are you intelligent? Did you know cows have best friends and get stressed when they are separated? Tag your best friends below. Wow. Did you know quirky alone is a term for people who enjoy being alone and single while waiting for the right person instead of dating casually? Quirky alone. Quirky alone. Wow. Amazing. Did you know thanatophobia is the fear of losing someone you love? Wow. Did you know hearing your name when no one is calling you is a sign of a healthy mind? I often experience this one. Did you know you cannot snore and dream at the same time? How can we know that? Did you know, according to study, people who drink their coffee black have sadist or psychopathic tendencies? Gotta tell this one to my father. Did you know, before sleeping, 90% of your mind begins to imagine the stuff you would like to happen? Better do this one to foresee the future, right? Did you know a lichnobite is someone who sleeps all day and works at all night? Is this someone like me? Oh no. Did you know atelophobia is the fear of imperfection or not being good enough? Some people experience this one. They have atelophobia. Nice one to know. Did you know studies suggest that gifted people often have bad handwriting because their brains are working faster than their hands? I have a bad handwriting. How about you guys? Did you know taking a brief nap after studying instead of participating in other activities can significantly increase retention of the information just learned? Let me do this one next time. Did you know the faster you drink alcohol, it's more likely that you will black out soon? I guess we all know this one. Yellow teeth are stronger. The natural color of our teeth is a light yellow color. Whitening your teeth can permanently weaken them. So better not brush. Just kidding. Did you know you're born with more than 300 bones, but by the time you're an adult, you have just 206 bones? This is because some of the bones fuse together. Hope we'll know this one later on when we reach 60s. Wow. Did you know bananas are curved because they grow towards sun? Yeah, we all know that. Did you know Skin is the human body's largest organ and is constantly renewing itself. Your skin sheds 50,000 cells every minute. Over a lifetime, that piles up to 40 pounds, 18.1 kilograms of skin. Wow! Did you know not only are some humans allergic to cats, in rare cases, some cats are also allergic to humans. That's the reason why your cat at house is not coming near you. So we have that condition. Did you know dysania is the state of finding it hard to get out of bed in the morning? Better remind my wife about this. Did you know the sunset under the clouds looks like the sky is on fire? Let me see. Did you know these trees don't touch because of a phenomenon known as crown shyness? Hope we'll be there. Did you know a study found that poor people are more charitable than wealthy people? I can prove this one. I know a lot. And last one, did you know the only part of the body that has no blood is the cornea of the eyes? It receives oxygen directly from the air. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Hope you learned something and see you next time.